Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make a beautiful cushion cover.
The materials you will need will be fabric, scissors, clips and a measuring tape.
Measure the width of your cushion and add 5 centimeters more. Now measure the length of your cushion, duplicate it and add 30 centimeters.
And pass it on to your fabric. Cut it out.
Hem twice the top and bottom side of your fabric. Sew the hems in a zigzag stitch.
When you have your two sides hemmed, fold one over the other.
Make sure it's the exact measurements of your cushion.
Sew lengthwise on both sides.
And now turn it inside out.
And there you go. There you have the cushion cover. It's simple, easy and beautiful.
Hope you enjoyed our video.
And hope you had a chance to make it.
Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Bye!